I am going to be doing a tier list. Yeah. Of every monster in the game. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. I'm gonna be here for a while, but okay. Okay, so let's start with Tweedle, I guess. Tweedle, pretty basic monster. Not really my favorite. I'm pretty neutral with Tweedle. Rare Tweedle, hate. I have no respect for Rare Tweedle. It's so ugly. Epic Tweedle, very ugly, but I still respect you. You're different. Actually, I love how you flip upside down. You're actually better than normal Tweedle. Potbelly. Not my favorite monster, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it at neutral. The six pack, it's funny. I'm putting it at B. And, honestly, Potbelly's better than Tweedle. Epic Potbelly. Love it. I love it. It's going in A. The lower it is, the more it dips into A, and the ones at the top are S. I can't figure out how to do that. Noggin, not my favorite. Rare Noggin, also not my favorite. Epic Noggin, on the other hand, B. It's good. I love the design. I love the volcanic design. It's better than Rare Potbelly. Now ToeJammer, I'm gonna put you at C, lower C. If you don't agree with me, that's just your fault. But what just happened? Let's see here. Rare ToeJammer, I love the different eye colors. It's honestly better than Potbelly. Now Epic ToeJammer isn't my favorite, but it can go in C. And Mammoth, love you. I love you, Mammoth. We're going all the way up to B. Just instantly. B. B, B. B, a B, a B. And, Rare Mammoth isn't my favorite. I'll put you at D. Epic Mammoth also isn't my favorite. I'll put you at the end of C. Dandy Doo, it's honestly like a D. But also I should go off sound too. And maybe animations once I get down to the newer animations. I don't really like Tweedle's sound anyway, so yeah. F still. Rare Dandy Doo, love the two. I was just talking to my friend. So, Epic Dandy Doo, it's one of the better ones. Yeah, B is fine. Yeah, right there. Cybot, that one thing on Air Island. It's gonna ruin my videos. U, D, U, F. You're ugly. This seems more like a rare than the rare. So you're also F. I don't like you. Quibble, decent. I'll put you at C. Above Potbelly. Epic. I mean, no, not epic. Rare Quibble. You're going here. And I love how it's a prismatic from Dawn of Fire. So honestly, you're going to S. Pango. I love this dude. He's just chill. Just chill. Let's see, like right there. Rare Pango. Kind of like the design. Epic Pango. No, I just don't like it. It's ugly. Shrub. Now you stupid. You get to go here. You ugly as well. You ew. Disgusting. Octopus. Shoo-a-doo-a-doo. A-shoo-a-doo-a-doo. 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 Yep, that's good. Rare octopus. Scientist. Love it. I love how he's a scientist in his bio. Su-a-doo-a-doo. A-su-a-doo-a-doo. A-su-a-doo-a-doo. Okay. Epic octopus. Yeah. Rit Rot. Better than regular octopus, better than that, and better than rare. I mean, no, epic noggin. Honestly, S tier. Oh, wait, I forgot. Lower is A. I'm gonna tell you after which is my least favorite monsters in the game. And then which ones are my best. It's on my profile, but still. Furcorn. You kind of deserve hate. You're disgusting. But I still love you for it. So you're gonna be. Rare Furcorn. You just gender swapped it. You made it a femboy. That's Epic Furcorn, lovely. I love the shape of you. Wait. I'm in love with the shape of you. Okay, so Epic Furcorn, honestly, an A tier. An A tier monster. Love it. Oh no. No! Please don't reset. Oh, it didn't. happy. Fwog.
I love Fwog.
I love Fwog so much. You wouldn't even know it. Fwog. I'm sorry, but not. You have to go and be. And Rare Fwog, even better. Even better. Epic Fwog, you can go there. Drumpler, I kind of hate you. You're just, no. Rare Drumpler, I hate that's an insult to one of your creators, so, and I'll just hate your design anyway. Oh, what did I get here? What did I get here? Oh, I can't. Epic Drumpler, better. Just better than the others. Okay, Reedling. Reedling. It's literally a flute, not a reed. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that you are going to go, and Rare Reedling, a little bit better, but still don't like it. Epic Reedling, on the other hand, it's higher up, I'd say. Now, Sponge. Wow, 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 wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, I'm going to have to say that Sponge, you are going to go and see right below you. And then you're just a little bit worse, and then you're just a little bit better. And then Thumpies, I kind of hate you. I don't know why. And then, and then Scups, I don't dislike you, but I still dislike you. Rare Scups, you're better. Epic Scups, so much better, but still in denial. And then you, yeah, you can go and see about there. Rare Pom Pom, you're just ugly. You're ugly. You're ugly. Ah! You're also ugly. Kongle. I know a lot of people like you, but me personally, I only like you on Tribal. So you can go into C. Rare Kongle, I hate you! Epic Kongle, nah. Pummel, honestly, it's kind of bad, but still better than Kongle for me. Rare, just a little bit better. Okay, then, we have Epic Pummel here. Clamble, I just don't like you. You're a little bit better. And you, oh my gosh, that's such a step up. You are in B. Bogart. Rare Bogart. Epic Bogart. T-Rox, love you! I actually had you as my icon for a while before I got more monsters. Rare T-Rox. Epic T-Rox. Woohoo! Space astronaut. Shelby, I know a lot of people love you, and so do I not. You're going in D. You're lower. You're just ugly. But you're better than Rare Tweedle, for sure. Come on. Let's see here. We have Oasis here. You are going to go in upper B, though. You? Love your design. You, on the other hand, you're a little bit better than Rare. Deej, a lot of people love you, but you're only a C for me. Rare Deej, Epic Deej, you're ugly. Riff, a lot of people love you, and so do I. And Rare Riff, I love your sounding composer, but just for that, you're gone a little bit up for composer, but ew. Epic, I don't like it. Entbrat, Rare Entbrat, Epic Entbrat, yeah. Mimic. Can't wait till the Epic comes out, but Mimic. A lot of people hate you, but I love you. I love your design. And you can turn into anything. So. Ew. Rare Mimic, you're just a little bit worse. You're still there, though. Kana, you are mad annoying. Rare Kana, you just gender swapped it again. Epic Kana, on the other hand, you are kind of upper, I'd say. Yeah, and, Glowl, not my favorite. I can handle you, though. Rare Glowl, that is literally just the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Caw. And Dawn of Fire, Flower, I love you. Rare Flower, not as good, but, Starhog! How many more do I have left? Oh. I forgot all the fires have all their epics almost. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Then there's the ethereals. And then there's more ethereals, then more, and then the primordials. And then we have the whole entire magical race. And then we have the mythicals. And then oh my gosh. And then we have the those. And then the legendaries. And then all the Wuboxes. Then all the Wublins. And then all the Celestials. And then, why are you here? Then the Dipsters, and then the Colossals. And then it's finally over. This is gonna be so long. This is gonna be my longest video yet. Might have to make a part 2. I'm gonna finish the fires, then I'm gonna make a part 2. Wait, how long are the fires again? Oh. Oh. Okay. Just a lot. Just a lot of fires left. Okay, good. Stog. You're like a dog. Rare Stog, you are ugly. You're ugly. Fangler. Woohoo! Wait, no, not yet. Not yet. You. You're ugly. You're ugly. Fangler. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 no 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 no